In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can fix the problem with no sound or music on Toca Life World. So what I want to do once we've opened up the game and we are on the main page right here, we need to go to the settings in the top right hand corner. Once we click on settings, you will then be able to enter in your date of birth. So you might need an adult to do this if you're a child. So what we can do is go to and put our date of birth in. Once we put in our date of birth, what you will need to do is make sure music right there is checked. So if this is not checked, there will be no music or game sound coming through when you are playing the game. So make sure this is checked right there, and then you can then go back to the main page. And then once you do that, that will mean that you have fixed the problem with no music or sound on Toca Life World.